Welcome to the DJI Matrice 400 tutorial video. This video will introduce the M400's vessel takeoff and landing feature. Takeoff preparation. Before takeoff, place a landing marker on the deck. The deck must be at least 3 by 3 in size, with a flat, unobstructed, and uniformly colored surface, preferably dark. Ensure that there are no obstacles within 20 of vertical airspace above the deck. Place the aircraft at the center of the landing marker and power on the aircraft and the remote controller. Tap Settings, Flight Settings, Takeoff Settings, and then enable boat launch mode. Ensure Update Home Point Continuously is enabled. Manually take off the aircraft, then immediately push the throttle stick to full and ascend to 20 moving away from the deck. RTH and landing. After completing the operation, press and hold the RTH button to initiate RTH. When the aircraft approaches the vessel and the landing marker is visible, manually cancel RTH. Enable the landing detection and vision assist functions in the app. Manually fly the aircraft directly above the landing marker and gradually lower its altitude. When the aircraft successfully detects the landing marker, a C1 auto landing prompt will appear on the app screen. Then press the C1 button on the remote controller to enter auto landing mode. The aircraft will then automatically adjust its altitude and position to land on the marker. If auto landing fails, the aircraft will automatically ascend, and both a voice and a pop-up prompts will appear. The aircraft will rise to an altitude of at least 20 above the takeoff point. Manually fly the aircraft over the landing marker again to initiate auto landing.